The president of Ghana and the president of Nigeria are probably looking at this next clip coming and thinking, what were we thinking? Why would we encourage people to isolate South Africa? But everybody loves them. Check this.
I was speaking to my president a week ago.
Yes, Excellency. Thank you so much.
We cooperate very well.
Thank you. From Gabon.
Oh, Gabon, of
Yes,
course.
yes.
I must still go
From
to
Gabon
Gabon.
to President.
Yes, I will go to Gabon soon.
Thank you.
Yeah, you must tell President I'm coming.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you for sitting Tunisia.
Thank you.
Thank you for your support.
Thank you very much.
Bonjour, Monsieur le Président.
How are you?
Bienvenue du Bénin.
You have been. Oh, yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good to see
Benin
you.
too.
Benin as well.
Nice to meet you.
I've
Thank
never
you very
been
much.
to Benin. I must go.
Mr. President, I am from Djibouti.
Oh, Djibouti, yes.
Yes, you are my leadership,
Yes. Thank you.
President of Africa.
Yes.
You see again here.
Yes.
No forgot President.
Thank you so much.
You are my leader.
Hello, how are you? Oh, Madagascar, yes. Malagasy.
How are you? I'm from Angola.
Oh, yes, of course. MPLR.
Yes.
MPLR.
Thank you, President.
UN.
You
know, Amina sends her greetings with
I know this.
Tanzania. Thank you so much.
Tanzania. Oh, yes. Our home.
Really?
Our home.
More from Malawi.
Oh, from Malawi. Nice to meet you, sir. Oh, yes, of course. In-laws.
From Tunisia.
Oh, Tunisia, yes. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
South Africa. So what?
Good to meet you.
Let me fight from Senegal. Thank you. Yes, thank you. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Yes. I was there, you know. I spoke well about it. Yes,
Thank you. This is Malawi.
Malawi, of course. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
Hello, sir. How are you? Of course.
Ambassador for Guinea.
Oh, Guinea, yes. Good to meet you, sir. We take a picture, please. We take a picture. He's taking a picture. We must look there.
Yoba Balde from Senegal.
Oh, yes, Senegal, of course. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Hello, my sister. How are you?
Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You have discussed my issue of Kurtuasa Foundation. Thank you very much last year. Thank you. Thank you.
So I want to
Sabo.
Alphonse Ngoyi Kasanji, DRC.
Yes, of course.
DRC.
Yes.
Thank you very
Kinshasa.
much.
Thank you so
for your
much.
speech.
Thank you. How are you?
Chief Ismail Tusanugi.
How are you?
Fine and all you.
Very well.
Thank you.
I was talking to my brother, my elder brother.
Chief Chairman. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Your Excellency, Vincent from Guinea.
Oh, Guinea, yes. Good to meet you.
Our president, Mariam from Tanzania.
Oh, yes, our home.
Yes.
Tanzania is our home. Permanent home.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Okay, of course, we must talk about
No, we have Honorable Wainachi Honori from Cameroon.
Cameroon. I've never been to Cameroon.
I'm so sorry.
I will go there.
Senimphathe kakuhle uprezi wenu. Senimphathe kakuhle uCyril wenu. Hey, this guy is a celebrity. Asina president apha sine celebrity. I bump into this video ndibhizi ndiscroll. Upresident wethu kuneline folile abantu bafuna ukumbulisa bonke. Abanye bade bambulise nangesizulu. I'm just here thinking baphi aba bebesithi si xenophobic. Iphi xenophobia apha? Siyathandwa ngaphandle. Wonke umuntu ufuna uzibonela lapha eSouth Africa. Wonke umuntu ufuna uzibona elapha ekhaya. Jonga ipresident abantu bangaphandle abakhulu bafolela ubulisa ipresident yethu. uCyril wethu madoda. Kuthiwa nguCupcake. Ake mhle mani intoni. Prezi wethu man. Uyakwazi kusirepresenta shem. Hayi ndihlekile ubona kwami le video. Ndithi mana hayi beseve looks upresident wethu ethi thathana. Ndim lo. Lunalanto nalamtsalane oba mabeze bonke beza beyiline befolile. Yes presido. Abangayiboni ibi South Africa iyathandwa. bamane besithi sizenophobic ze-1010 bonani khanibone nantsi ividiyo. Hayi South Africa awumncinananga South Africa. Upresident wethu uyasibonisa apha ngaphandle uba utrithwa njani. I-celebrity esophumela apha ngaphandle imani kuzintatheli ngapha nazo hayi ndihlekile abanye bambulisana ngesizulu. Yo hayi anawulunga uhlala ngaphandle kwenye indawo ukuthiwa ndiyaphuma apha eSouth Africa ndiyohlala kwenye indawo hayi shem ndirayithi apha ekhaya ndirayithi kwenye indawo andinawulunga nje at all. And naba baprethendayo ngathi abasifuni kodwa bagcwele apha bagcwele sigilana nabo ngezifuba ogqiba baphinde bathi sizenophobic. Oh hayi sika abanye babhizi bayalwa baxhapha amagwebu balwela uba sibaphi citizenship abafuni ugoduka ngoba kaloku kunameva kwendawo abuya kuzo kuyahlaba. Esprezi wethu show them Ramaphosa show them yes Cupcake babonise Cupcake. I-South Africa asilolizwanyana elincinci sisemephini siyaziwa noba saziwa ngantoni na. Funa uthi sizenophobic ifuna yena makayithathe loo nto aqamele ngayo alale. Sharp guys, bye for now.
Angisakwazi nokwenza umsebenzi wami ukuthi ngiyifake emotweni.